Welcome to the CLARE-ASEAN initiative. CLARE-ASEAN initiative supports socially inclusive urban climate adaptation and resilience in ASEAN through action research and tailoring of the evidences from the region. CLARE-ASEAN is part of the CLARE program, which is funded mostly by UK aid through FCDO and co-funded by IDRC Canada. CLARE-ASEAN is led by AIT and endorsed by relevant ASEAN bodies and closely work with ASEAN Working Group on Climate Change, ASEAN Secretariat and ASEAN member states. This initiative is centered around urban nature-based solutions, urban heat, financing urban climate solutions, and participatory approaches. Action research are being conducted in 14 cities of 7 ASEAN member states with 21 organizations in the region. Regional evidence synthesis from scientific literature and actions are being carried out. Regional networking, dialogues, and webinars are being used as input to the evidence tailoring process. CLARE-ASEAN is aligned to the regional priority and will make policy recommendations to the policymakers in ASEAN as well as to the broader communities on what works to promote urban climate adaptation and resilience in ASEAN.
Today we are here for a regional workshop organized by CLARE-ASEAN. The main aim of this workshop is to foster dialogue on existing climate adaptation knowledge gaps and policy and practicing across ASEAN region. The workshop also aims to strengthen collaboration among policymakers, practitioners, researchers, and development partners working toward urban climate adaptation and resilience. Participants are representing from IDRC, FCDO, UN agencies, and leading regional and international organizations such as UNEP, ADB, ADBC, IPCC, alongside experts from academia and research institutions.
In a recent workshop that CLARE-ASEAN organized, we had extensive discussions on what we call gender equality and inclusion, GEI. This was not an add-on in the program. This was an intrinsic part of the program. There, we discussed how climate change can be addressed and its effects can be addressed on women and children and on vulnerable sections of the population, and how to strengthen them so that their lives become resilient and they adapt better.
4 critical themes, 1 unified mission. This workshop has brought together a diverse range of experts from the region and beyond, working in the area of climate resilience in the urban sector. The overall goal of this workshop was to move from dialogue to decision for action. We begin with urban heat management, facing the reality that heat is not just an environmental issue, but a public health, infrastructure and equity crisis. To address it, we must manage our cities as interconnected environmental and societal systems. Next, we turn to nature-based solutions. Based on the discussions, the key takeaways were very clear. Long-term sustainability relies on robust evidence, continuous monitoring, evaluation and learning, and strong community partnership and ownership. To scale these solutions, our session on climate resilience tackled regional and national governance bottlenecks. Again, discussion concluded to 4 C's: commitment, capacity, collaboration, and capital mobilization. Finally, our sincere thanks to one and all who have contributed to successful completion of this workshop, which has really helped shape the blueprint for tomorrow's sustainable city.